This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Sunday, August 18th of 2013. Well, we've added yet another highlight in our hazardous weather highlights section to be on the look for, but they're both thunderstorm chances. The first one is now for late Monday afternoon and evening, where there could be some isolated thunderstorms in eastern upper and also in northern lower Michigan, north of M68. Now, there's no severe weather expected with those storms, and we're also looking at a thunderstorm chance for all of northern Michigan for Wednesday night through Friday, and the impacts of these storms are still yet to be determined, but as of right now, severe weather looks like it's unlikely. On the current weather map, again, things haven't changed so much here. We still have high pressure draped across the Great Lakes, bringing us just fantastic weather. All the activity is associated with low pressure in a frontal zone across the southeast part of the country, and also some isolated to scattered activity back across the northern Rockies, with an area of low pressure in a frontal zone that's draped across the Dakotas and into southern parts of Canada. Now, as we jump ahead to Monday evening, that high pressure does sink a little bit to the southeast, and we have a southwest flow. It's going to be relatively light, but it's going to bring in slowly warming temperatures and eventually a little bit more moisture for the slight chance for thunderstorms at this particular point across, again, eastern upper and parts of northern lower. And then here we go by Thursday. We have another front that's expected to drop into the region, and this is responsible for our second shot of thunderstorms, and that's going to be for all of northern Michigan. This is just going to be in the Wednesday night through Friday time frame, and chances with this particular front aren't that fantastic either, but yet it's still a possibility. We see here by Friday this front starts to move off to the south, and then by the start of next weekend, high pressure is expected to be back in control of the Great Lakes region. Now, here is the day two for Wednesday, the severe weather outlook. We just have a general chance of thunderstorms across here. As a matter of fact, there's no organized severe thunderstorms forecast anywhere in the country. So the summertime warmth will just continue. Our warmest temperatures are actually expected Tuesday and Wednesday, and that is out ahead of the front that brings us the chance of storms Wednesday night into Friday. For today, though, another great day out there. Just some scattered cumulus clouds in interior northern lower and in portions of far western Chippewa County. Otherwise, there's going to be another sunny one out there with temperatures another couple degrees warmer. Most everybody in the lower half of the 80s, and just a couple of the coastal locations holding into the upper 70s. And again, recapping the hazards, the thunderstorm chances for both Monday afternoon and evening, and then again for the Wednesday night through Friday time frame with no severe weather anticipated. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.